Welcome to 775 Gilbert in beautiful LaSalle. This home is located in one of the most sought after areas. You're a walking distance to LaSalle Public School as well as Sacred Heart Public School. You're close to the high schools, the Vollmer Center, LaSalle Landing, the beautiful waterfront, as well as all restaurants, shopping centers, and entertainment places. You also have beautiful trees surrounding you all over this neighborhood, and you're living right beside a natural resource area. This all brick ranch home has a 3-car garage for all of your toys. If you want to have a workshop, it's heated, it's got a drain in it. It's everything that you've been dreaming about if you are a hobbyist or a car collector. It also has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. All of the bedrooms are absolutely huge. It has a formal dining area as well as a large kitchen with an eat-in dining area as well, and a full unfinished basement so that you can create exactly what your family needs. For more information on this beautiful LaSalle home with the 3-car garage, call me Ruth Ann Osborne, 226-782-4493 for your personal showing.